Meaning of dosser.
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 Dosser. The term dosser is a slang word that typically refers to a person who is homeless or someone who begs on the streets. The word may also be used to describe a person who is considered lazy or avoids work. In general, the word has a negative connotation and is often used as an insult. It is important to remember that using derogatory language towards any individual or group is not acceptable and can be hurtful. We should strive to treat all individuals with kindness, respect, and empathy regardless of their socioeconomic status.